from claiming the top seed in the playoffs. The 9 ball is on the move, but it will not go in.
1 ball
Yes.
gets in.
The Negros Occidental Pillars can put everything away. Ganda ng pihit, oh. Ang dami pa kasing kailangan i-analyze. Pag magandang pwesto niya dito sa yun lang, sabihin mo lang naman eh.
Yun ang naalala ko nga pala. Dapat wala nang explanation. Ako order pero hindi ako magbabayad.
Na may mga referee pa pala tayo, Sandosena.
Yun, sakto. Medyo na diretso, hatak.
It was Parañaque who won the Tuesday doubles. But now Negros Occidental has moved to the hill. Now up 12-10.